Tinubu angry at his own US lawyer after he mistakenly told USA Chicago he forged this certificate. Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. I told you guys that one of the most difficult things to do on earth is to defend Bola Tinubu. In fact, there is no way you will defend Bola Tinubu without actually exposing him or without making mistakes and without even not knowing what to do. It is basically the truth. If you could recall, when Wole Olanipeku was trying to defend Tinubu in court, after the judgment of where he forfeited $460,000 came, Wole Olanipeku in election petition tribunal said that Tinubu, that since the case happened 10 years ago, that people should forgive Tinubu. Justice Amani equally concurred and told people to forgive Tinubu since the case happened more than 10 years ago. Now, regarding his Chicago State case that is actually ongoing in Chicago, Illinois, where Atiku Abubakar is challenging his the documents, the forged document that he submitted to Inec. His lawyer, who is actually representing him, as a matter of fact, came and mistakenly exposed this Bola Tinubu. I'm going to show you everything and how this lawyer had to expose Tinubu, because you cannot defend somebody that has committed a crime without you making mistakes or without you indirectly exposing the person. So, as we all know, Chicago State University was supposed to release some of the documents of Bola Tinubu to Atiku Abubakar yesterday, being Thursday. But because Tinubu has a whole lot of cobwebs and things that he is hiding, he quickly went and filed an appeal and told the Chicago State University to delay the release of some of his documents to Atiku Abubakar. And the court yesterday, the judge who presided over the matter, it was really a very quick case, because Tinubu, it was almost about 2 hours or 3 hours remaining for the Chicago State University to give Atiku Abubakar Tinubu's record. Tinubu had to file this appeal. And from the record, as you can see on the screen, the U.S. judge agrees to delay the release of Tinubu's credential. The judge, Nancy Maldonado of the U.S. District Court, Northern District of Illinois, has accepted to delay the release of the academic records of Bola Tinubu. As you can see, this is the picture on of the lady that the judge that actually ruled yesterday that delayed the release of Tinubu's record. And that yesterday, before the judge gave this particular delay, he had to hear from both parties, from Atiku Abubakar's lawyers, who is represented by Liu and another man. Then she had to equally hear from Tinubu's lawyer. Now, when Tinubu's lawyer was actually speaking, like I said, he cannot defend a criminal and go scot-free. He cannot defend a criminal and go scot-free. Now, when Tinubu's lawyer was actually speaking yesterday, he said something that releasing Tinubu's academic records to Atiku Abubakar, as a matter of fact, will cause an irreparable damage to Tinubu. Now, this is where a lot of people don't even know how this man has reviewed or exposed Tinubu. People should know, as a matter of fact, just follow through the explanation I'm going to give. People should know that academic records, as you can see on the screen, pertains to an individual or educational journey. Academic record, which is clearly pertains to an individual educational journey, achievement, and academic standing within educational institution. This is what an academic record is, because we are trying to analyze that particular statement Tinubu's lawyer made that is going to cause a very serious damage, irreparable damage, and irreplaceable damage to Tinubu and all that. Now, we want to analyze it and how he exposed Tinubu and how he even confirmed that Tinubu forged that certificate that he submitted to INEC. Now, I've told you that academic record, as you can see on the screen, it's just a document that pertains to an individual's educational journey, achievements, and academic standing within educational institutions. Now, two, people should know that certain parties can apply to have access to academic records, such as the individual himself, potential or employer, relevant public institutions, and the court orders. Now, no matter how private you want to be, there are some people that are allowed to go through your academic records. Let's say your employer, where you submitted your credentials to get employment. Of course, your employer needs to verify and authenticate your academic record. He or she can actually request for your academic record from the said university which you attended, and the court can equally order you to release your academic record. And also parties, like the case Atiku Abubakar has, since he is challenging Tinubu's academic records in the election petition tribunal up to the Supreme Court, he has the right to demand and request for Tinubu's academic records. So there is no privacy when it comes to academic records of Bola Tinubu or academic records to anybody, provided it is actually being asked or demanded by the right person or by the right body or by the right party. Now, people should know that from Tinubu's word, because yesterday Tinubu's lawyer, I told you, said that releasing Tinubu's records to Atiku Abubakar is going to cause severe and irreparable damages. Now, people should know that from what you can see on the screen, that severe and irreparable damages refers to significant harm that is permanent and cannot be undone or adequately compensated for. Then it implies grave and lasting consequences that may include significant financial, emotional, reputational, or physical harm to an individual or entity. For example, if someone's actions result if someone's actions result in the destruction of a unique, irreplaceable piece of art, the damage caused to that art could be considered severe and irreparable because no amount of money can restore the artwork to its original status. So we are defining that particular time Tinubu's lawyer used, that it is going to cause severe and irreparable damage. Now you can see the definition of severe and irreparable. Now people should know that the only plausible reason why releasing of academic record could cause severe and irreparable damages is the condition whereby such records represented significant contradiction to what the person has been falsely representing as his academic record. This is very simple as ABCD. If Bola Tinubu is claiming that this is going to cause a severe and irreparable damages to him, it means only one thing. There is no other thing that it means. There is no way you that claim you graduated with a first class and an outstanding result is scared of releasing your documents. Of course, there's no harm your documents, even if it's in the public domain, since you're a public officer, will do to anybody. There's no harm it will do to you. It is not even releasing any of your personal details or anything. Now, the only plausible explanation to this is that the person, as a matter of fact, has been flaunting or has been misrepresenting his academic record. Probably the person has been giving false information about his academic record. That is the only time he can cause these severe and irreparable damages. You cannot say that releasing your academic record, you that claim you graduate with a flying color, is saying that it is going to cause a damage. What manner of damage is it going to cause? It is not going to cause damage. The only damage it's going to cause is because Tinubu himself knows that his identity theft will be reviewed and his personality and everything will be sacked from the Nigerian presidency because he submitted a false certificate. That is the only damage we've seen that he's talking about here. If you know that the academic records are straight, if you know that your academic records has nothing attached to it or no strange or probably no controversy attached to it, of course there is no need to be scared that it's going to cause any damage to you. Of course, it's not going to cause any damage. You show it to the world. If you could all remember when Obama and Donald Trump was having issue, Donald Trump asked Obama to bring his birth certificate. Obama immediately, without even going to court to restrict anybody from releasing his birth certificate, he immediately brought out the birth certificate and showcased it to the whole public for the public to see that he is a true American citizen. Now, in Tinubu's case, he's wasting millions of dollars fighting tooth and nail for his records not to be released. Now, he's telling us, as a matter of fact, his lawyer said yesterday that it's going to cause severe and irreparable damage, meaning he is aware that Tinubu submitted a forged document, and the damage that it will cause is that he will be sacked from the presidency and equally be exposed. And this is how, sometimes when you make comments and statements, you don't even know that you are indicting and implicating your own clients. Well, like I said, I'll keep you guys posted because this case is becoming global and getting out of hand. I would like you guys to drop your comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel.